Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google Partner company. So today I'm here with an amazing, interesting case study regarding Google Ads account which was suspended for suspicious payment. There are multiple reasons through which your Google Ads can be suspended, including Google Ads suspended for operating system, Google Ads suspended for suspicious payment, like the case study over here. Your Google Ads account suspended for your account doesn't comply with the Google Ads terms and condition. Your Google Ads account is suspended for egregious violation. Your Google Ads account is suspended for unacceptable business practices. Your Google Ads is suspended for counterfeit products, and there can be other reasons as well for which your Google Ads account is suspended. So Google is very active and alert, and very cautious in running new advertisers, because also Google is making money as well. When someone advertises on Google, but Google is very highly concerned regarding the quality of the advertisers. And in such scenarios, whenever an account is disapproved, it doesn't mean that Google doesn't want to earn from you guys, but the issue is that Google thinks that your website does not comply with the standards Google has. And because when someone searches on the Google, he or she has a certain set of expectations, that those expectations are gonna meet by the results I'm going to be shown whenever I search a specific query in Google. So Google has tried to maintain a very high standards for advertisers, and they are also trying to improve their status for their organic rankings, SEO. But with the PPC, they are highly concerned. The good thing about PPC is that you can rank within 24 to 48 hours. With SEO, it takes time. But the bad thing about Google Ads is that, not unfortunately, not anyone can run ads, and there are certain set of standards and procedures and policies which you may have to follow while running your ad. And in those scenarios, you may see that whenever you try to run an account, you may see one of the suspension happening on your Google Ads account, which make you very frustrated. You may feel very sad, like, "Oh, I was doing everything, but still my Google Ads account is suspended." So this was such a scenario with another client. We were working on, because if you visit my channel and you visit my blog, because I run a Google Partner company. I myself is an SEO expert, Google Ads expert, Facebook Ads expert, and we often see cases for clients who get their Google Ads account suspended, who get their Google Merchant Center account, Facebook Ads account, Bing Ads account suspended. Like, there are so many reasons for account suspension in any online advertising platform. And in case if you need services for them, we help them all. The link is in the description. So yeah, credits to all of my team who constantly were in touch regarding the restoration of the Google Ads account with the Google team. And because we have a checklist for Google Ads for 100 steps, where we thoroughly review the Google Ads account, we thoroughly review the website for compliance, for any issues, and get your account back. Let me show you another successful case study. You can see over here now, these were the bulk batch, and you can see that this is an account. Let me refresh you guys, so guys, so you guys have an idea that everything is refreshed and not edited. You can now select the notification, and you can see that your account is unsuspended. Now the account was new, January, did not have any past spend, still it was suspended. So for the people who say that you may need to have an ads running on before your account can suspended, no, Google is very cautious. And Google can suspend accounts even without running ads. Google may also have issues with billing information as well. So I mean, Google has a very tough, strict guidelines and so many checklists, that it may becomes very hard for new advertisers to run on. And I understand that, which is why we recommend our agency that in case if you want to run your ads online, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to click on the link in the description to work with my team, and we can create an awesome digital marketing campaign for you on Google Ads, Facebook Ads, SEO. We can help you in web development and landing pages as well. So yeah, I like to appreciate my team, like, who constantly work in getting this account unsuspended, who constantly work day and night to make sure that an account is being restored on the time. And it took us around 6 months of the time. I know that that is a lot of months, and I feel sorry for the client as well. But while it was happening, we provided our client with an alternative account as well. So so that his their advertising operations does not get suspended. We are a Google partner company to make an issue accounts as well. So it took us a lot of time, so then we get them restored. So yeah, I'm very happy for them that we were able to get them restored unsuspended. So another case study regarding Google Ads account suspended for suspicious payment, and all credits to my team. So in case if you need services regarding Google Ads management, or even specifically regarding Google Ads restoration, GMC restoration, Google Ads disapproved, Facebook ads management, Facebook ads issues, SEO issues, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to click on the link in the description to get started with me and my team, and we can help you in creating an awesome campaigns online. So if you like this video, make sure to like and share this video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.